Nope. Okay, easy. Next one, over and under. This thing for Gino. Okay. Do not put your knees on the floor. Okay. When you jump over here, okay, you're going to spring up and you land facing them. Here, and then you scoot through your leg. Okay, like a monkey. Easy? Yeah. This one, you're going to try and keep it. Keep them out nice and straight, okay? You just do dips. Okay? Easy? Get your back side right down, okay? And the last one, side jumps. No, we'll do two more, actually. Okay, from here. Okay? Don't go like this. Do it right, your elbows should go higher than your shoulders. Okay? Your body stays in the center and your feet just shoot here. Easy? You'll wear yourself out together and throw your whole body across, okay? And don't do this. Okay? Just lay it. Leave lasers. There. Don't touch them. You can push them anywhere. Okay? Don't touch your feet to the floor. Almost to the floor.